begins with embracing the darkness in one's heart. Dilemma is just an episode in the journey of life. The light in the heart will always exist, but it will be covered by the external fog. By learning to embrace yourself, you can reconnect your inner strength, overcome difficulties, and regain hope and peace. Every fall, every tear, is life reminding us that true strength comes from accepting imperfect self. All the pain comes from persistence. Clinging to external success and other people's evaluation, I finally lost my true self. When you put down the pursuit of the outside and turn to the inside, you can see the treasure hidden in the dilemma, which is the guide to find yourself on the road to inner peace. Follow the cause and fate and don't worry. Learning to coexist with darkness means accepting everything that happens, not resisting or escaping. When we embrace our pain with love and compassion, our inner strength will be awakened. We will no longer be afraid, but will overcome all difficulties with wisdom. Inner freedom is the real source of power. True freedom comes from inner relief. When it is no longer defined by the difficulties of the outside world, the inner power will emerge like a spring. Everything is impermanent. No matter how difficult it is, it will eventually pass. And the inner light is the eternal reliance. Regaining your strength is not to escape the problem, but to transform the problem. Every dilemma brings opportunities for growth so that we can learn compassion and tolerance. When you let go of your obsession with perfection and accept your shortcomings, you can release your true inner strength. The light in our heart will always guide us out of the fog. The confusion of life is not the core of the problem. The real challenge is how to face the inner ignorance. Unawareness is the root of all fog, and wisdom is the light that dispels the fog. When you feel helpless, you might as well calm down and observe your inner self. When the observation is fixed, the wisdom and light appear by itself. Through meditation and reflection, you can see the reality of life clearly and no longer be fooled by external interference. Every walk in the fog is guided by inner wisdom and strength. When you choose to believe in yourself and treat all challenges with compassion, your inner peace and hope will be rekindled. You don't need to look for the light in your heart. It belongs to you. The light is not far away, it is deep in our hearts. Do you often look for answers outside but ignore that the most important power actually comes from yourself? True happiness and light are not external but internal. A calm and compassionate heart is the key to eternal light. When we choose to let go of obsession and accept ourselves in the present, the light will reflect our lives like the sunrise. When facing all challenges with a calm mind, the external darkness will not be able to shake our inner light. Everything you have experienced, no matter how difficult it is just a process to the light. Every step forward is a display of inner strength. When you embrace yourself and believe in yourself, you can truly touch the light in your heart and face the hope and infinite possibilities of life. The trough is not the end but the starting point of the leap. The trough is not a punishment, but a reminder to re-examine ourselves and find the strength in our hearts. Every storm can teach us to have a deeper understanding of the truth of life. The value of the trough is to make us realize that true happiness and stability come from the heart, not from the outside. Learn to extract strength from the trough, just like a diamond, which becomes more and more dazzling after polishing. Every painful experience is an opportunity to reshape yourself and become more tough and wise. If you fully accept the present, you can embrace the infinite possibilities of life. When we can fully accept ourselves in the present, inner peace will arise. Accession is unconditional tolerance for oneself. When you stop fighting against reality and choose to embrace all emotions and experiences, the inner energy will begin to transform. No longer afraid of losing, no longer obsessed with possessing, but choose to face the ups and downs of life with a peaceful heart. I accept the present and allow myself to become an imperfect but real existence. When you stop chasing and focus on the present, you will find that happiness has never been far away. It has always been in your life, just waiting for you to touch it.